Hey y'all, this your girl Tia, not gonna be me, and I'm coming at you with a chit chat today. A little report, something like that. So I just want to say welcome to my channel. If you is new, thank you for coming, sugar boo. Okay, just to show as you hit that subscribe button and ring that doorbell, baby. You is my sugar boo, okay, and I'm your sugar boo. So I thank you for coming, and I just want to give you an invite over to my second channel. The name of my second channel is Boss Up Cleaning. That is BOSSUP cleaning, CLEANING. That's why I put all my cleaning videos, organization, and decorate. So if you know anybody that or yourself that like videos like that, I ask that you go over and show my channel some love, okay? And when you do, leave a comment and let me know that you have joined the family. All right. So with all that being said, did you ring the doorbell? Did you ring the doorbell? If you don't know what the doorbell is the thumbs up, the like button. Hit it one time for your girl, for your sugar boo, hey, for your honey bun. One time for the one time if you don't mind. All right, y'all, let's get into the video. What's good, family? I got y'all propped up right here. I'm just sitting outside enjoying the breeze and the mosquitoes and the insects that keep biting me, child. I don't know if I need to speak a little louder. Hopefully I don't. But yeah, I'm just out here enjoying the little breeze. About to play some little solitaire. Get out the house. I sat outside and did my little editing today. So now I'm waiting on my video to upload for y'all. Happy Friday to y'all. Yes. So what y'all got going on today? What y'all gonna do? Is y'all ready for the weekend? I know I am. I know I'm ready. But we is booked up with appointment after appointment after appointment. Me and grandma. And so this morning we got up early. I actually had a early morning this morning. We got up. I got up at 4 o'clock this morning. Grandma got up at 3 o'clock this morning, and we had to get up and go to a doctor's appointment that she had earlier this morning. They scheduled her at what time was it? She was supposed to be there at 5 o'clock for a heart catheterization. So the reason why she went, to the doctor for the heart catheterization was because when she went to the doctor, they kept saying that, she was having a slow heartbeat. Then it was like then when she went and got her regular physician, she was like, she noticed that her heart was beating a little too slow. So then she sent us to see a heart doctor. And the heart doctor, they looked at it and everything. They say everything looked fine and stuff like that. But, they just wanted a second opinion because, everything looked fine to them. But, just based off of what the doctor was saying, they just wanted to make sure, that they was doing the right thing. So they sent us to another heart doctor for a second opinion, and when we went to them, they pretty much said the same thing. So he was like, well, in situations like this, sometimes they end up with a pacemaker. I think, is it a heart catheter? I know one is a pacemaker heart catheter. They could put a stent in, and then it's like another thing that they have now where they just can monitor your heart and stuff like that. So we was kind of like scared. Well, I ain't gonna say scared, but we was kind of like iffy anyway about even letting her go and get a stent or anything if she needed it, because the side effects to it, you know what I'm saying, like how it can get infection and all kind of stuff like that. And I'm like, grandma, I don't know about this, you know what I'm saying. So basically the first heart doctor, they told us, they was like, if she they said if she go to the second heart doctor and they tell us and they say that they want to do a procedure, or they don't want to do anything, then I'm just going to go along with them. Well, the second doctor is almost like, first of all, let me tell you, the first two that she went to, they was brand new anyway to us. Okay. But the second one we went to, he kind of like, you know what I'm saying? That's why I was like, I don't know, because it's like he was almost like trying to sell a product, if you ask me. You know, I know that they got a job, and I know they probably supposed to know more than what we know, but sometimes you know yourself better than what those tests say. You know what I'm saying? Because they say you got this, they say you got that. Oh, is you short of breath? Do you, you know, is it hard? You know what I'm saying? Like different kind of stuff that comes along with having heart problems, right? And so, you know, she was like, no, I don't have none of that going on. And so when we was leaving the second doctor, she was like, she was telling me, she said, well, is that thing that you is that they talking about is where they go and check my heart and stuff like that? You know, they send a little tube up in you, check the heart and all that. I was like, yeah, grandma. She was like, oh, I done had that before. So grandma done had this problem. I didn't know, y'all, but grandma done had this problem for years now. Hopefully the wind ain't messing up in the sound and stuff like that, y'all, because the wind is hot today. So I apologize if the wind is in the way of what I'm, you know, messing up the sound or whatever. But anyway, so she was like, I was like, yeah, grandma. She was like, oh, I done had that before. So basically, grandma done been had this problem before. You know what I'm saying? For years, she done had this problem way before she even got with me. She done been checked for it and everything. Everything look fine. All right, so we go this morning, and they did the test and stuff like that. They did the test and stuff like that. You know, it took them a long. Do y'all hear that? Do y'all hear that? I wish I can get him. He finna come this way, y'all. The same dude that... Same dude. Hold on, y'all. Did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? That's the one that I was telling y'all about that be coming down through here. I hope I'll be able to show y'all that, because I'm gonna have to try to blur the background or something like that. However, but I want y'all to see what happened going on, child. But anyway, so what was I saying? Okay, so when we went in this morning, you know how they got to register you in and all kind of stuff like that. Okay, so after we got all of that did and everything, they didn't even put her to sleep. They basically just gave her like a Benadryl, y'all, which was surprising to me that they only gave her a Benadryl. But they gave her a Benadryl, and I guess that's all they must have gave her to knock her out or whatever. But let me tell y'all something. Let me tell y'all. They dead wrong. Okay, so we get sitting there this morning, y'all. You know, before you go and have any procedures done at the hospital, you have to go and have you a COVID-19 test done, right? Okay, so we went and did that on Friday. Mind you, now today is actually Tuesday. Okay, so we went and did that on Friday. They swabbed her from the car. Now, when we get in the hospital today, the woman, she go asking questions. You know how, like I said, they got to register and stuff like that. They come asking questions, blah, 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 whoop, and all that. Okay. So when she gets to the question about, oh, did you have the COVID test done? I was like, yeah, she just had it done Friday. Oh, they ain't got no record of it. They ain't got no record of where she had it done. They ain't got the labs. They ain't got nothing. They don't see nothing up in her chart. They don't see, honey, like she ain't even had it when it had it done, y'all. So I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, they think they slick. They think they are so slick, y'all, because how did y'all schedule for her to go and get a COVID-19 test done? Tell me this. How did they schedule for her to go get a COVID-19 test done, right? To make sure she ain't got it. Okay, they swab her from the car. Everything fine then from there. They go on the inside. Labs supposed to been sent off, right? They only cross the street from one another, really, y'all. Like, now I ain't even talking about like no highway. I'm talking about just a regular 2-lane street. Like you crossing the street to your neighbor, okay? Cross the street. Tell me how those never got that test never got delivered to the lab. Tell me how that happened. So there's no record of it. There's no nothing that she went and took it or nothing like that. Okay, so that was like a 2-day test. If I'm not mistaken, y'all, 2 days, 3 days, however many days it take to come back. You know, you don't get no phone call. Everything is good. Okay, we in the clip. We ain't get no phone call. But we get in there and they ain't got no results. Okay, so now this is what she tell me. Oh, well, looks like we probably just gonna have to do it again. So I'm thinking to myself, oh, you gonna have to do it again. So I asked her, I say, well, is y'all gonna do what y'all need to do to her today, the procedure and stuff like that? You know, because the next thing was coming was we ain't gonna be able to come back. You know what I'm saying? You know, like, not tomorrow kind of back. Shit, 4 in the morning, y'all getting up. 3 in the morning, child. I wasn't with that no 2 days in a row. Y'all was gonna have to go find something. Go walk your ass across that street and go find out what the hell they did with her results. You know what I'm saying? Okay, with her test. So she was like, well, we just gonna have to do another one. And but this one right here is rapid. It only take it don't take that long. It come back real quick the same day. So I'm thinking to myself, I say, this sounds like a little money scheme to me, if you ask me, because I just can't wrap my mind around, how is y'all losing people labs? How is y'all losing people tests and stuff like that need to, you know what I'm saying? For that's something that's for y'all. So I'm like, somebody ain't did their job. You know, that's just what I'm saying to myself. Somebody ain't did their job. But really, y'all, I think what they doing is getting paid twice the money when you got some insurance to pay for that goddamn test. Y'all already know they collecting, okay? Because they asking for all your insurance information when you go and do the pre-test. Okay, the one that's supposed to come back in 2 days, 3 days, however many days. So when you get there, now you got to do another test because they ain't found it. But this one is a rapid test. Y'all already know that rapid test costs more than that damn 2-3 day test, y'all. They just wanted some extra money, if you ask me, in my opinion, because I can't see how all of a sudden, you ain't got no lab, no tests that will, the little swab and test results, none of that, no lab, no nothing, no, I don't know what happened, where was it, if she did it, I don't know if she did it, your word against mine type of thing. You know what I'm saying? I can't see how they lost that, y'all. I feel like it's just all a lie just to get more money. Because I mean, like I told the lady, I said, well, if y'all do a test in here, what's the purpose of y'all doing a test before they come? Oh, that's just so that whenever people arrive or before they come, they'll already know whether or not they got the COVID or not. We already knew she ain't had it. You know what I'm saying? I know they don't know, but what I'm saying is, what difference do it make? Yeah, it just keeps stuff down. That's what she's saying. Yeah, that way they'll know. And it just keeps stuff down, because if she did have it and didn't take it, before she came here, and if she did have it, then that means that she was in the waiting room around a lot of people, walking down the hallway around other people, in the room around us and stuff like that. It still seemed like the same difference, if you ask me, because y'all didn't make a leave. Y'all still doing rapid tests. So what's the difference with somebody that did have it and y'all did a rapid test and found out when they was there? You know what I'm saying? Come on now. That just sounds like they looking for some extra money, y'all. I'm just saying, y'all. You want people to be sure before you do a procedure on them that they ain't got it. So they take the test 3 days before they come. When they come, y'all got the results. Before they come, they get the results to let them know if they do got it, don't come. But if y'all lose a test, if they ain't got it, if they didn't go and get the test done, or something may happen or something like that, and they don't get rescheduled, go and take another test, but y'all end up letting them come in, and then y'all do a rapid test on them, and then you find out that they got the COVID-19. What's the difference? What's the purpose in taking an early test when you still can have some COVID patients in your dang on hospital? Tell me that. So when you find out they got COVID, what you gonna do? Escort them out of there? Or you gonna continue to walk them through them halls and stuff like that on up to another room? What you gonna do? Infecting the whole hospital. Make it make sense now. I'm just saying. So yeah, y'all. But anyway, so grandma went and got the test did, y'all. I'm just trying to figure out. Y'all leave comments down below. Let me know what y'all think about it. But anyway, so grandma went and got the test done. They did heart cath and all that on her. Everything came out crystal clear, clean, all that. She don't have to have no stent, no pacemaker, no nothing. She ain't got to have nothing, y'all. And I thank God, because God already knew that he had his hands on that situation and everything was all right. And like I told that second doctor that sounded like he was selling some shit, he was like, well, if you don't get this, we can offer you that, and you can see how you like that, you know, because he was talking about the pacemaker at first, right, y'all? So I was like, I don't know about all that. They got too many side effects and stuff like that. Like, you could straight kill her. You know what I'm saying? Or the other thing that they was talking about, oh, it can set up infection and stuff like that. And then they say, no, well, he just pulling stuff out, y'all, just pulling stuff out. Well, I'm going to just show you this right here. After we said no to two other things, well, I'm going to just show you this right here. And you just let me know if that's, you know, something that y'all might consider wanting to do. Because this right here is only a monitor about this big, y'all. We just stick it in right up under the skin. Only side effects is that, you know, it can get an infection, or you know, you may not clean it right, and it fall out. And I'm just looking at the man, y'all. I'm just looking at him. I'm like, this man sound like he just rebuttaling. You know what I'm saying? It sounds like you trying to make a sale. What we look like to you? Okay, I ain't one of them, y'all. I'm not one of them that's gonna go up in there and take everything they offer. You know what I'm saying? I'm not one of them that go up in there and listen to everything that they tell me. Honey, you gotta make it make sense. Go on, refer me to somebody else to make sure, so I can make sure that you show. You know what I'm saying? I'm one of them kind. I ain't one of them, oh yeah, she probably do need that. Well, she got insurance, just go on and work on it and hook on up to this and drive her with a lawnmower. You know what I'm saying? Baby. Make sense. I'm not going. I ain't going. But we thank God that we got a good report today. I thank God for that. It was a long day today, but I thank God that she got a good report today. So yeah, that's the end of this, y'all. I just wanted to come and make a video for y'all. Happy Friday. I hope y'all have a great weekend. Okay, turn up one time for me, because you already know I'm gonna turn up 2 times for you. Okay, so hopefully we can make it to the beach this weekend if we got some nice weather. I don't know. I'm gonna see. Y'all might get a little pre-recording or something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out along the way. But anyway, peace, love, and many blessings to each and every one of you guys. Welcome to my channel. If you is new, thank you for coming. I hope y'all enjoyed this little chit chat with me. And until next time, this is who? This your girl T. I'm not gonna be me. Oh, let me say this. Y'all don't forget to ring the doorbell. When I say ring the doorbell, that means hit the thumbs up, the like button one time for your girl, if you don't mind. And also, don't forget to go over and show my second channel some love. When you go over there, leave a comment, let me know that you joined the family, and I thank you for going. But the name of that channel is Boss Up Cleaning, BOSSUP Cleaning, CLEANING. Y'all have a blessed one. Peace. This the other thing that I wanted to say that I forgot to add. Okay, so when we went to the second heart doctor or whatever, and when he was asking us what we wanted to do in the office and stuff like that, he wanted us to make a decision at the time, but since we couldn't, you know, figure out what we wanted to do, he was like, well, I'm gonna reschedule you to come back such date, and then when you come back, you just let us know what you want to do. Okay, now with her going to the doctor today, to the hospital today, to get a heart catheterization done, if we made that decision to, yes, go ahead on and get a stent or get a pacemaker or something like that put in that day at the doctor's office, would they have done it anyway and didn't see anything, or would they have checked first? That's something to think about, right?